On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don warn Edo State government officials say make dem no miss yarn unto Oshiomhole matter for Edo State. On top the many talk wey dey fly for social media from former Edo State Governor and National Chairman of All Progressives Congress (APC) Adams Oshiomhole Pipo, na im make Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don stamp am say make pipo for Edo State government no put mouth for the matter. For statement wey Edo State government sign, Obaseki tok say im ready to see say better peace and security dey for Edo pipo wey dey for Edo State, as na im be the chief security officer for Edo State and na im work to secure Edo pipo and their property. Dem tok for the statement say dem don see all the yamayama and dirty talk wey dey fly for different media, and dis talk dem na from national chairman angle. Dis many talk plan na to comot Edo State government eye for all the better devel wey dem get for Edo State. Na dis one I make wey Governor Obaseki give order say make anybody wey be government official for Edo no put mouth for all the dirty talk wey fit cause katakata for the state from Oshiomhole media pipo. Edo State government don talk say make everybody know say Godwin Obaseki na im be governor and leader for Edo APC, and im no ready to comot, but im dey the party gidigba because say im dey get better support from state and national level of All Progressives Congress wey be APC. Na so dis update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Obaseki don throw a better warning give Edo State government officials say make dem no put mouth for the katakata wey dey fly on top Oshiomhole matter. Make una know say na T Live Media na im carry dis ogbonge update come give una. And to dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.